as the hub spins, this was a major problem for us because the pinion gear would actually split off of the motor because we're asking it to push a big planetary gear. So Orion had to develop a special way of attaching the pinion gear to this so that it will throttle up. Because this is actually spinning at like 20,000 RPM, but the blade itself is only spinning at around 1 to 2,000. So there's a huge difference. So this is another cool thing to check out. So this, if you did a direct drive propeller to this motor, this would be the propeller you'd have to use. But it's spinning this one. That's cool.